Hey gang, Mike Montgomery with Skinner's Custom Screens out here with Noel and Eamon. And Sage is out here with us today. We're putting on screens at a customer's home. So we've put the 90% bronze colored solar screens on this home. The screen material is made by the Twitchell Corporation and it's Textilene 90, made in black brown, also known as bronze. And this is going to significantly reduce the amount of heat coming into this customer's home. So we've got Eamon up on the ladder, putting on the last screen. Go Eamon. Noel down here holding the ladder. So this is Mike, Noel, Eamon, and Sage with Skinner's Custom Screens, Windows, and Doors. If you like our videos, please subscribe and ring the bell. Thank you.